I welcome you all to Meditation Masters online program, and this is one of its kind of program where you're going to learn meditation online. We all are aware of the benefit of meditation, still we struggle to do this on daily basis because we have some myths around it. We think meditation is something which you do in a place where nobody can disturb you, or you have to go to maybe a mountain or a cave and do meditate like our monk used to do 2000 years ago. But here we all gonna bust the myth and we're gonna create a new platform for meditation where you can meditate at the comfort of your own home. You can meditate anywhere and anytime in the day. So Meditation Master is a program which is divided in two parts. So part one is all about learning a meditation technique which gonna prime your brain every morning. So every day you'll be practicing a small bite of technique which is easily digestible, and without your brain knowing that you're doing something to make it uncomfortable, you're actually gonna learn meditation. So every morning you'll be practicing the technique which I'm gonna send it to you or with day wise, and then after we finish the first part, in the second week we're gonna stack it up together. We're gonna start it with just for 5 minutes meditation, and by the end of it you'll be doing a 25 minutes meditation all by your own, and that actually gonna prime your brain every morning. That will give you the energy which is required to go ahead and deal with the day. And any time when you think that you really have to show up as the best version of you, you can simply go ahead and meditate. In the second part, we'll deal with more of the daily basis situation we feel in our daily life, where suppose you have a situation where you're feeling extremely anxious or a panic attack is there and you just have to take care of yourself immediately. You would know that, okay, I have something to go back, I have something to refer to where I can take care of my situation, where I can take care of my problem without anybody noticing that. So, the part one and part two will make you really good at life, because we all do meditation to be good at life. We don't do meditation to be good at meditation. Now, for preparation, what you have to do, it's a very easy course, it's a very easy task. You simply have to schedule 30 minutes of your morning. So, every morning before your tea, coffee, newspaper, or TV, you just have to go ahead, listen to the audio of the day, and meditate. Because when you wake up, your brain is already into alpha state and it's already there where you can learn new things, where you can be at the top of your creativity, and where you can create something new for yourself. So every morning when you wake up, just go ahead, freshen up, and simply practice the meditation of the day. Second thing is you just have to have a notepad or a journal where you can write down every minor success you feel during this course, or you can write down the gratitude practice. So we need 30 minutes of your day because meditation requires no skills. Anybody can do that and anytime you can do it. You really have to promise one thing to yourself and to me right now, that you're gonna practice this for next 21 days, and that too early in the morning, the moment you wake up. Consistency is the key over here. 21 days will actually bring this practice go deep down into your brain, and this will be a non-negotiable thing for you after that. Your brain takes 21 days to build any habit, and then it takes 66 days to build that habit into a lifestyle. You can make a list of situations or things which create difficulties in your life right now, and then we can check after 21 days that how much they are still impacting you, if they have the same intensity or is lower now, or maybe after 21 days you are able to better take care of them. 21 days of self control can create huge difference in your life, and after 21 days I can guarantee you one thing, that you won't be the same person you are right now. So take these 21 days as a gift, as a commitment to yourself, and go ahead and practice it. I'll be always here to help you with any kind of situation you face, any questions, any query, anything arise in your mind. You can just always ask on the Q&A board, and I'll be able to help you with that. So without any delay, just let's go ahead and dive in.